in the matrix, faceless, feeling so tasteless, chasing dreams in a wasteland, steps getting traceless, mind running races, anxiety embraces, thoughts twisted like mazes, anger leaves me faceless.
Voices in the attic, thoughts erratic, static, panic. Life got me manic, frantic, dropping like Titanic. Depths of my soul volcanic, blows contract magic. Crowds call me enigmatic, yeah, my heart's mechanic.
Struggle within, darkness skin, things my next of kin, battle of sin, where it begin, hopes wearing thin, life's a bitter pill, swallow just for the thrill, doubts impose the will, grinding against the mill, self-doubt's a goblin, haunting, constant taunting, every step daunting, life's a house of wanting, muscles taunting, thoughts combating, who am I affronting, brain cells rotten, seeking fame forgotten,
Cracks in my veneer, mask my fear, mirror sneers, pour another beer, drown what's near, can't endear, dark eyes peer, future unclear, pain severe, laughter ends here, tied to the spear, death's cavalier.
Dark humor blooms in gardens, gloom them turn to tomb. Deep in the room, whispers boom, mental clutches loom. Problems mushroom, thoughts consume, happy just a fume. Life's a doom, cold as the moon, down the path we zoom.